So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you want to make an extra $100 extra per month, there's a company called Play Octopus that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. You just have to use our link below. You put the tablet in your car, your passengers can play games, and you as a driver make an extra up to $100 per month. Sign up for Play Octopus with the link down below. It's free to sign up. They're pretty much nationwide now, so use the link, start making an extra $100 a month, and let's get started. Okay, so the next topic we're discussing is Uber cancels Uber rewards. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Uber rewards is shutting down. Here's what you need to know. So it's pretty small here, but I'll try to read it. Thank you for being a part of Uber rewards. It's been a great ride, but we've decided to end Uber rewards as we shift our focus to a new Uber One membership program. So do you want to read this really quick?
Yeah. So Uber Rewards is coming to an end. You will continue to accumulate points and be eligible for rewards until the end of August 2022. October 31st, 2022, the Uber Rewards program will be shut down. Yeah, so I actually have a lot of Uber Rewards, and I need to spend them all before the 31st. Anyway, so this means all points earned by riders will expire on that date. If you have any questions about what this means for you, keep reading. In this article, we will discuss the reasons behind Uber's decision to shut down rewards, what it means for riders, and what you can do to make the most of your remaining points. So what is Uber Rewards and how does it work? Uber Rewards was introduced in November 2018 as a way to thank riders for their loyalty when they use the Uber platform for business or pleasure. In order to be eligible for Uber Rewards, you need to be at least 18 years old and have a current account with Uber. Under the program, riders could earn points for every dollar spent on eligible Uber rides and Uber Eats purchases. Basically, users earn rewards by taking trips or ordering food on the Uber Eats app. More precisely, the free loyalty program offers points for every eligible dollar spent on Uber Eats orders, pool trips, and certain UberX Comfort, Green, and Access trips.
Sorry guys, I was getting more iced coffee.
I want an iced coffee, like the decaf ones.
Yeah. I'll make you one.
Oh wow, we have a lot of comments here.
We can pull them up on the screen, just so everybody can see them. Should we real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. I know you're in a time crunch. But...
Chop sent a bunch of messages in the chat.
Oh yeah.
Good comment.
Yeah, here we go. Cheeky chops. Oh wow. Can you see these? Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yeah, so don't drive the drunks at 2 a.m. at any time it's dark. I stopped taking passengers at darkness. Yeah, if you're doing nighttime rides, guys, I picked up 2 passengers one time. It wasn't even super late. It was like 11 p.m. I was taking these guys to the bar and they were hitting on me, and they were offering me money to go out to the bars with them. Because I was like, oh, I have to work. And he's like, come out to the bars with us. And I said no. And then the one of the dudes like started touching me and stuff. He started like grabbing me.
Guys?
Huh?
Gay guys?
Yeah, they were gay. Oh my gosh, he's commenting a lot. But yeah, I was just like, bro, like, get off me.
Yeah, that's so like inappropriate. Like, I don't know. I'd never flirt with an Uber driver. I mean, I've never had an Uber driver that I was inclined to flirt with.
Yeah.
But like, I don't know, there's a time and a place. Like, your Uber is not, I don't know.
What?
What the heck?
Are you reading the comments?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to read a certain one.
Stops.
Someone said stop stirring coffee in my headphones. Oh, is it loud? I thought it was like ASMR.
The ice.
Yeah, I thought this was like ASMR.